Hey Liam.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, good to meet you. Where are you from, brother?
From Brisbane,
Australia.
Australia.
Sweet. Little holiday?
Yeah, for the next few days.
Cool. We're down in Queenstown today. We've got a beautiful afternoon. What are we doing? What's happening?
Going to jump out of a plane, 15,000 feet in the air. Seemed like a good idea at the time.
It did. 15,000 all the way to the top?
Yeah, may as well.
Why not? Hey, we've got the harness on, jumpsuit. We're looking good. Ready for it. Do you want to say anything before we head up?
Not at this time, I guess.
No worries. We'll see what you say after the jump, though.
That's probably what we're going to pay attention to that.
Absolutely.
Mostly, I'd say, yeah.
No worries, I put up top, eh? We'll see you in the plane. Have fun.
Awesome.
Cool. About that, Liam? Pretty good, eh?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Well done, bro. Jump on up. One up there for Chris. Cheers, board.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Well done, guys.